Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Breland here, and today I'll be showing you guys how to do a looping background for your story. So before we get started, please like the video if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to my channel down below by clicking that red button with the word subscribe on it. So after you press that button, you'll see like a little bell. Just make sure it's ringing because it'll have the little ringing signs around it. So yeah, let's get started. So looping backgrounds are very easy to do. It's basically just like a background, and then I'll just show you. So first thing you need to do is you need to go to the art catalog and make sure you put it in an open tab, because if you just click on it like this, it's going to bring this up. Do not do that. Do not press delete, because then everything you did will be discarded, and then you know what? You'll have to do it all over again. I learned that the hard way. So you're going to come over to the backgrounds, and then you're going to click on this tag button right here, and then scroll down until you find looping. And then as you can see, there's a whole bunch of, well, not a whole bunch, but there's like a lot of options to choose from, because they're all looping. They follow the character, but not really, because like the character's just standing there. It's an illusion. So I think I'm gonna use this in Fashion Hall Loop Day, because it's a fashion hall. So here we can paste that in there. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to have my character stand on the screen left, facing right while walking. So I'm gonna use James. So James stands screen left, and James faces right. So now all you want to do is you want to have your character walking. So and James is walk neutral. So that's pretty much it. I'm just gonna make this little tiny scene, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm now done. So we're gonna go ahead and see what it looks like. And that's it. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Like I said earlier, please leave a like if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to my channel down below by clicking that red button, and don't forget to hit the bell after you do so, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.